Hello there, friends! It's me again, Learning Leo, your science buddy. Welcome back to Smiling Science. How are you doing? That's good. I'm doing great, but I feel even better now that I see you again. Today, we are going to learn about our 5 senses. Have you heard of those before? It's super fun to learn about them, so let's just do that. Our senses are what we use to experience the world around us. They help us figure out what is going on around us and help us decide if we enjoy or not enjoy things. Good thing we have 5 very special senses to help us do just that. The 5 senses are hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Our bodies give us these senses. We have our ears to let us hear, our eyes to let us see, our nose to help us smell, our mouth to help us taste, and our skin to help us feel. Wow! When we hear, see, smell, taste, or touch things around us, we are using our senses to know more about the world. When I listen to music, I am using my ears to hear. When I look at a picture, I am using my eyes to see. When I smell my stinky dog, I am using my nose to smell. When I eat my mom's yummy cookies, I am using my mouth to taste. And when I feel my soft pillow and blanket, I am using my skin to touch. All our senses are unique and special. Without them, we won't be able to know about the world. I need my sense of hearing to hear my dad's voice calling me. So, I take care of my sense of hearing by not listening to loud music. I need my sense of sight to make sure I don't bump into things when I'm walking. So, I take care of my sense of sight by not looking at the screen too long. I need my sense of smell so I can tell when I need to take a shower. So, I take care of my sense of smell by keeping myself safe from germs. I need my sense of taste so I can know if the food I'm eating is yummy. So, I take care of my sense of taste by always brushing my teeth and keeping my mouth clean. I need my sense of touch to keep me safe from the things that are sharp or hot. So, I take care of my skin by being careful not to get bumps or bruises. My senses keep me happy and safe. They help me enjoy my life. They work together to help me. Your senses do the same for you. Can you tell me what you can hear, see, smell, taste, and touch? What is something that you can hear right now? Use your ears and your sense of hearing. Good example. What is something that you can see right now? Use your eyes and your sense of sight. Yes, that's right. What is your favorite smell? Use your nose and your sense of smell. Oh yes, I like that smell too. What is your favorite thing to eat? Use your mouth and your sense of taste. Oh yum, I love that. So delicious. What is something that you can touch right now? Use your skin like the skin in your hands. and your sense of touch. That's a good example. I'm so happy we have our 5 senses: hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. I love learning more about the world around me, and I get to do that using all these 5 senses. When you hear, see, taste, smell, and touch things, try to think which senses you're using. It's a very fun game you can play with yourself or your parents. Now I've got to do some experiments, so I have to go. But I'll see you next time. If you like this video and want to learn more fun science stuff with me, Learning Leo, your science buddy, be sure to like this video and subscribe to I Am Learning and Smiling Science. You can ask your parents or an adult to help you do that. Thanks again for coming to visit me here in my lab. See you next time! Is yummy. Ay, pangit. Touch to keep me safe from things that are sharp or hot.
Best up. Daddy.